Hey you, let's get into this glam together because this one's gonna turn heads. If you've ever wanted those big sparkly rose gold eyes that look like you woke up a little too perfect, you're in the right place. Grab your brushes and let's do this step by step like I'm here, there with you. First step is to prime your eyes. Take your time with this one. I'm using concealer and blending it all over the eyelid. This is gonna be the base for your whole eye look. So let it be smooth and flawless. Going in with this Morphe palette in the color Rose to Fame because we're doing soft glam but elevated. Apply the color Spoiler Alert all over your lid. It's soft, pretty and sets the tone. Then take Trust Fund Issues with a fluffy brush and start working that into your crease. You want to go a little above the crease. That's how we make the eyes look bigger and more lifted. With a clean brush, blend out that creased color, nice and soft, no harsh lines here. To deepen the crease a bit more, I'm using a flat brush and going right into that same Trust Fund Issues shade. Placing it just in the crease, then blending it again with my fluffy brush. Now I'm adding more shape by defining the outer corner. Using Aristocratic Aura, this deep dark brown, I'm applying it right along the lash line like eyeliner. I start from the middle of the eye. It really depends on your eye shape, but this technique gives me that lifted cat eye effect. I also draw a long tail to elongate the eye even more, subtle but snatched. Time for shimmer. Rose to Fame is such a stunning shade. I use my finger to apply most of it. It sticks better that way. And then I take a small brush to highlight the inner corner. Adding brassy and sassy on top for that extra shimmer. You can never have too much glow on the lids. Now I'm going in with a liquid eyeliner just to clean up that tail a little and make it pop more. Adding the color Charmed Life in the inner corner of the eye. It brightens everything up. Mascara time. We are focusing on top lashes first for that open eye effect. I'm layering Lash Like a Boss by Essence. Lash Like a Boss by Essence again, but for more volume. The Push-Up Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. And the Essence Maximum Definition Mascara. Also on the bottom lashes, but just the outer ones for that doll eye finish. Taking the shade Nepo Beige right underneath the brow for a soft highlight. Using a clean stippling brush to gently dust away any glitter that might have fallen. Reapplying concealer under the eyes to keep it fresh and bright. Setting it all in place with a little transparent powder. For blush, I'm using one from Milani. Charlotte Tilbury highlighter goes right above the blush. Blending it in with a highlighter brush and a makeup sponge. And for lips, you know we are going for juicy. I'm using a volumizing lip gloss from Charlotte Tilbury for that plump, glassy finish. And just like that, we are done. You are glowing, soft, glamorous and ready to turn some heads. And we only used one eyeshadow palette from Morphe. Tell me in the comments, what's your go-to eyeshadow palette right now? I need to know what everyone's loving and I'm always down to try something new. I'll see you in my next video.